Yo, what's going on, you guys? It is CJ Brand, and we are back once again with a brand new tech review video for you guys today. Today, we're going to be taking a look at the DJI Mic Minis, and honestly, this is a video that I've been waiting to make for a very long time, especially ever since this microphone right here actually drops. So, as you guys know, or may know, I should say, I've personally been shooting on the DJI Mic first edition, I should say, and right now we're on the third edition itself. So this microphone right here, these are the mini versions, and these actually came out very recently, I want to say. These may have been introduced probably after the second version of the microphones came out, because they actually have the same exact design as the third one, or they may have came out in the third one. I don't know, I'll put it down below. But anyway, you guys, I want to go and get this microphone unboxed for you guys. So I want to know you guys' true thoughts about the microphone itself, but then also on top of that, I actually want to know how this microphone actually sounds compared to the actual DJI Mic 1 itself. Because I mean, even though these are new, I do know that the Mic 1s are still a little bit better, apparently, according to like the spec sheets off of this microphone set itself, but we'll figure that out. But let's go and get into today's video. Let's go and get this thing unboxed right now. So look, I'm gonna scoot back a little bit so we can go ahead and get this table in it. So like I said, we have our box right here, and we're just gonna go ahead and get this thing straight up unboxed itself. And yeah, oh, this is cool already, man. Look, for the price I paid for these things, I'm already excited, man. I ain't gonna lie to you. Hold on, y'all figure it out. All right, so anyway, inside the box we got our pouch itself with all of our accessories in it. Then we actually got like a little pamphlet right here for a user guide, and then also I'm assuming this is going to be like a sticker for DJI, which that actually kind of looks pretty dope. So I may put that on, you know, your boy Mac, but who knows? So let's go and put that down, man. So inside this pouch right here, I'm pretty sure this is going to be holding everything, and this is what I'm most excited about itself, is the fact that we actually get a DJI case for our actual microphone itself. And honestly, this is something to brag about. And the reason why I say that is because I paid, I think it was I paid $59.99 for the actual mic itself. I caught it on sale, I ain't gonna lie to you. Sometimes you can catch it on sale for like $79.99, but I caught this joint right here for 60 bucks on Amazon itself most recently. And hey, I got a case with it as well. And also on top of that, this is the option one that comes with both 2 microphones and then that 1 receiver itself. So hey, that's fire. So inside the travel pouch as well, like I said, we get 4 different wind muffs that's gonna come inside this small little package right here. So therefore, we only got 2 microphones and then that 1 receiver itself. But basically, you're gonna save the other 2 just in case, because these microphones are literally small, man. And I mean, like, they small, bro. Like the weight of each microphone apparently is about like 10 grams a piece, so I think that's very cool. Now also on top of that, we do go ahead and get a couple cables in here. This first cable right here, I think we're gonna pull out, is gonna be our aux cable. That's what I like to call it, or I'll just say, you know, the cable that, what the heck, it's all type of tied up. But this is the cable that we'll go ahead and use, you know, to go ahead and plug into our actual camera itself, and then also the other end to the receiver. So yeah, I know exactly what that is. Y'all need to keep that, because this is very important, hey? Now we also do have our charger. Now the charging case for this right here does take a USB-C case charger as well, and then also on top of that, it does have like a USB-A right here on top of it too, so that's pretty cool. Give us the flexibility of using like a Windows computer or some type of device, or even the charging brick that still does have a USB-A port on that, so that's cool. Now let's take out the bread and butter. This is going to be the actual case itself. Once again, I'm super excited about this, that we get a traveling case with it, but then also on top of that, we get a hard shell case that comes with it. DJI honestly could have just sent us this in the wires just like that, but instead they gave us the pouch in the case. So hey, all right, so now let's go ahead and get this thing unwrapped right here, because I want to see exactly what's inside this actual pouch itself. Let's go and open that thing up. Let's go and get that up out of there. So this is the actual case that we do get inside of. It is a brand new case from like the previous model that I have right now, which is the first edition, which I don't think I have that case somewhere, but let me check real quick. Let's see who got the case itself. So let's just put these things side by side. Look at the difference from it. One, I ain't gonna lie to you, bro. I do mess with the blacker look and everything, but I understand why they went this color, because it's kind of matching the shade of the drones. Just a little bit. But yeah, I kind of do mess with this case as well. We got that little nice little carbon fiber, you know, look to it, but now we just go over to a clean, you know, a cleaner, darker shade of gray look to the case, which it is what it is. But right here on the back of it, we do have our USB-C port on this. So that's how you'll go ahead and charge that thing in. But then also on top of that, let's go ahead and take this little sticker off and everything to make sure that was a clean cut. And let's go ahead and look at the actual microphones itself. Golly, they look beautiful. Hold on, y'all. I'm gonna show y'all this. These things look kind of cool. I ain't gonna lie. That's how everything sits up directly inside the case itself. So we got our 2 microphones right here. We also do get a straight up USB-C adapter in here for our phones as well, because of course these microphones are going to be compatible with our phones. So I'm happy that that actually does sit inside the case itself. Now, if we go ahead and pull out the actual microphone receiver itself, this right here is pretty much of a unique design as well. Now, it does look different from the first edition that I currently do have. It doesn't have like a front-facing screen on it at all. It's just pretty much just a standard receiver, but it actually does feel very premium, I will say. It doesn't feel like something that's very cheap. You know, some companies have the same or something similar to a design like this, and it don't feel good, but this one feels pretty cool. Now on the back of this receiver right here, we do have our USB-C port on here as well for us to go ahead and charge that up. And we do have our indicator up front. So this first green light that you guys see flashing right here, that's pretty much telling us like, hey, the receiver itself is actually on. And then if we take one microphone out, we should go ahead and see a green light come on the top of it. Boom, there we go. So now we have another green light right there sitting on top. That right there tells us like, hey, the first microphone or the second microphone is on. But one thing I do like about this receiver right here, it actually does tell you which microphone is actually on. So if it's like a 1 and 2 option on here. So I just pulled out the second microphone and then the second indicator did show up for me, and vice versa. If I pull out the number 1 microphone, that one will show as well. Now let's go ahead and talk about the specs of the actual microphone itself. Now when it comes down to distance wise, these microphones can stay up to like 400 meters, which is a very good improvement from the first edition. I think those were around like 200 to 280, something like that range. And I could be wrong, but I'll make sure that's down below as well. And let's go ahead and talk about the battery life itself, man. So the battery life on these microphones, we do get up to at least 48 hours of usage with the traveling case itself. But if no case is needed, you know, you may have at least about like 11 and a half hours, just depending on how often you guys are using the actual mic itself. Also on top of that, these microphones do come with 2 levels of auto noise cancellation as well. You'll go ahead and be able to change that feature. But then on the receiver itself, if you want to go ahead and make sure that you don't have too much gain, you can go ahead and change the gain down as well, just helping out the overall noise cancellation. And then the microphones also do have an ability to automatically limit like the sound gain as well by itself. That right there is just going to help to make sure we don't have too much clipping when it comes down to like, you know, in our video. So if you're doing all the screaming and everything or something outside of just going crazy, these microphones right here will make sure that that doesn't really show up in the mic itself. So I know you guys are probably going to say, you know, what does this microphone sound like? But I do want to let you guys know I went ahead and purchased 2 sets of these microphones just because I knew that these were going to be cool. This whole entire video was actually recorded on the DJI Mic Mini. So I want to know, what do you guys think about the actual microphone itself, and would you guys go purchase the DJI Mic Minis, or would you guys leave it on the shelves, man? We'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.